For today's video, let's take a look into BudgetBakers Wallet, a widely used budgeting application that automatically connects with over 15,000 banks around the world to track transactions and update balance in real time. By 2026, this application is still one of the best choices due to its attractive design. By incorporating interactive graphs and budget summaries, it helps users understand their finances easily without struggling with conventional spreadsheets. First, let's tackle its features. Wallet allows you to build adaptive budgets with limits on spending and notifications when you go over budget. Among the many technical features of this application is artificial intelligence powered categorization, which sorts your expenses accordingly. This application provides detailed expenses analysis, including suggestions based on your past expenditures, such as the 15% rise in your eating out expenses this month. Here are further tools for power users. First, we have planned payments. This is a calendar view for forecasting your bills. Next, we have group sharing, shared wallets for families or couples. Next, we have multi currency support, a must have if you're traveling or are a digital nomad. And lastly, we have advanced reports such as spending, heat map, or predictive dashboard to help you visualize your future financial state. For platforms and pricing, the application runs according to the premium model. It means that while you'll be able to use the basic version of Budget Bakers for free, automatic bank sync and advanced reports will be unlocked for a premium user only. Interestingly enough, Budget Bakers is among the few apps still offering a lifetime license option, meaning that instead of monthly subscriptions, you can just pay once for it. It is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Budget Bakers utilizes bank level 256-bit encryption for one-way synchronization. This way, it will not move your funds but will allow for monitoring transactions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. For the advantages, it has minimalistic design that allows you to start budgeting in a few minutes, and it has access to all your multiple global accounts from a single dashboard. Lastly, it has accurate categorization starting from a whopping 80% initially. For its drawbacks, the free version is very limited relative to the premium version. As any aggregator, you may occasionally face some syncing issues which depend on your particular bank's API. There are no sophisticated options for investments or payments directly from the application. So, is it too basic? While it works brilliantly as a simple tool to keep track of your expenses, but it might not be enough for those who have extensive investment portfolios. This product is perfect for newcomers who want to get things under control without feeling lost. Nonetheless, if you consider yourself to be a power user, then you will likely need to complement it with an investment tracker application. Feel free to try out the free version and let us know what you think about it in the comments section below.